Good evening to all dear ones and my organizing committee members, all the judges, all the alumni team and the students. As the host institute of Baha SAE India 2022, I extend a warm welcome to all of you. I can't say that warm welcome to my physical campus, but since it is online this year, so all of you, I welcome you virtually to this campus. And with each passing year, Chitkara University bond with Baha SAE is growing stronger and stronger. So at Chitkara University, we focus on innovation and building a skillful society. And the result is that we have already done the 2000 plus patents where the skilling was very important, so people have done it in that field also. So for this cause, we joined hands with Baha SAE to promote these activities at national level. And not only at national level, I can say that when they are participating in these activities, internationally also they become very, very comfortable. So before COVID, I couldn't imagine that an automotive competition like Baha can be done virtually without the cars being on the off-roading track. Last year when it happened in our campus and we got this opportunity, so it was such a beautiful event that cars were there and they were having so many hurdles, and then the students were very happy. So I think when we are seeing this all virtual, it is again a very different experience. But I think this new concept of virtual simulation turned out to be an exciting as physical event. So, effect is that after COVID, now when the new normal will be there, all the education will be in a hybrid mode, and from there also we have understood that the activities like this can be done on a hybrid mode, and some virtually and some physically we can do that. This year theme, I'm very impressed with the theme of this year is the strategies revamped. And I think it is well suited to this event because we are now targeting the simulation on software as well as physical events. So blend of optimized design using simulations in physical built vehicles will be interesting to see. I see a new talent developed in the participating teams. Remotely working in a team in the previous edition of Baha SAE, students have shown excellent commitment towards this event, even working remotely. So you see that how the team spirit is done, that they are remotely connected to each other, but still they are working as that they are in a team and sitting together. So I think this is a great change which is a great learning for our young entrepreneurs and young researchers. So I wish all the students to keep doing with great R&D and innovative work. I'm sure that India will be getting more talented young professionals and technocrats from this event as we have got in the past. But you know that this is a country of many young people like you. So the population, if you see the ratio of it, we are young people more than the old ones. So it's a time for you to understand that being a part of these activities, you will learn a lot. So I once again want to thank the organizing committee once again, and to my organizing committee from Chitkara. I'm proud of them that they are doing it very successfully and they are working very hard day and night to make it a great success. So all the people involved in directly and indirectly, they are to be thanked on this particular day. And I always say that giving this trust to Chitkara University, it's a great achievement for us also that you have a faith in us. So giving this opportunity to host this year's event also. So thank you once again and welcome to Chitkara University virtually. And we will be having a good results and we will be able to see the different activities. Thank you once again. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wishes from Chitkara.